What's good, YouTube? So today I finally had a good day in trading, and I'm gonna update y'all on my trading journey and show y'all some of the trades that I placed. So if y'all been keeping up with my channel, y'all know that I got a 10K prop firm account on Sunday, and I told myself I was not gonna place any trades because on Sundays the pairs just like to consolidate a lot, and you know what I'm saying, not really move and wait till Monday. And on Sunday I didn't stick to that rule. I ended up placing two trades, which one was a loser and the other one was a winner. So I ended up being up like $50 for that day. And then the next day came, and it was I started trading at like 6:30 a.m. and I just could not get off my I couldn't get off my computer, bro. Like I was just trading all day till 3 o'clock until I finally had to go do an Amazon shift. And I told myself I was not gonna overtrade, and I ended up overtrading. Like, just that's a really bad habit that I'm still working on getting rid of. And another bad habit that I have is also closing out trades too early. And so with Forex, I've been doing it about 5 months now, and the difference between Forex and the stock market is that Forex is open 24 hours, bro. And so it's just like I can place trades at night, I can place trades all day. With the stock market, it kind of helped me not place trades all day or be on a computer all day. Like the stock market closes at a certain time, it closes at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and you know what I'm saying, I could walk away, you know what I'm saying, for the rest of the day. But with Forex, it's open 24 hours, which means I have access to that, you know what I'm saying, all day, all night. And I find myself, you know what I'm saying, looking at the charts at nighttime, in the morning, during the day, almost damn near, like, it feels like I'm with the markets 24 hours. And so today I made profit and I just walked away, you feel me? So I closed my computer and walked away, and that's something that I gotta do more often. Because yesterday, I felt like I wasn't, although I was on the charts all day, it felt like I was not productive at all. I just don't like to spend all my time on the charts. I like to go get other things done, you feel me? Go make some money, or like with my side hustles, you know what I'm saying? But with Forex, I'm kind of struggling to like leave the charts alone because it's 24 hours. All right, so I'm gonna talk to you guys about some bad habits that I've been struggling with, which is over trading. And bro, I found out the hard way, bro. The more you trade, the more you're gonna lose. So that's why I've been trying to cut that bad habit out. And also another thing I've been struggling with is closing trades too early. You just gotta let your winners run. And I feel like this is the things that I gotta figure out in order to become a profitable trader. But I feel like once I get that down, I should become profitable. So yesterday I took a lot of trades in my Forex in the 10K profit account, and on my options trade, I didn't do any trading yesterday on stocks. Although I could have caught this one play on Tesla, but I missed out and I just did not trade. But I wasted all day on USD JPY on Forex. And so today I woke up, placed two trades. One was a loser, one was a winner, which I won like $200 on my prop firm account, and then another $100 on my Robinhood account. So I'm gonna show y'all the trades that I took. Oh yeah, before I show y'all the trades that I took, I'm gonna talk more about what I trade and like my strategy. So I mainly just trade price action. So within that price action, there's a lot of strategies I trade, whether it's like a double top, you know what I'm saying? If price finds support, a range, I even try to trade some ranges, because if price is consolidating between support and resistance, you know what I'm saying, that's a perfect time to trade support and resistance. But yeah, I just like trade a lot of strategies, mainly just focused on price action. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the trades that I took. All right, so yesterday I ended up placing a lot of trades, but I'm gonna share a few trades that I took yesterday. The one I remember, I made like 120 bucks, which almost brought my account back up to 10K. So we're in this is one of the pairs that I like to trade, USD JPY. And so we're coming to that key resistance area. And once I seen that, I shorted up here. And I could have just really just, that could have just been the only play I took, but I was in the 5-minute time frame. And in the 5-minute time frame, bro, it's just like, it's very volatile. So once we sold off right here, I just waited for price to come down, and I took profit around this area. I took profit around this area. So once it bounced back, I thought about getting back into another play, but I was telling myself, like, I don't want to overtrade no more, so I just kind of left it alone. But price actually went in my direction, bro. I could have, made more money. So we finally came into today. So around like yesterday morning, I did take a lot of trades, which my account was down. Like, I was taking a lot of trades around this area, and let me show you guys. Around this area. So from morning time, we're right around here, and I ended up taking lots of trades and losing a few. And my 10K account was actually down like almost 200 bucks. And once I made this play, I came back up to like $930. And then this morning, took 2 trades. So as you guys can see, we sold off in that area, came down here. And once we came down here, price came back up here, and I had gone to a short. But then once I've noticed, like, so price broke up and then showed me like a false breakout right there. So I got in, but then once price came to retest this area, it was showing like bullish signs. So I took a loss, like 70 bucks, and then I jumped into, all right, I'm gonna show you guys in the 30-minute real quick. So in the 30-minute, as you guys can see, we had this big sell-off, so that caused this fair value gap. Now, I watched a lot of videos, and this was like one of the things that I picked up on, like, oh, okay, like price came up, price dropped down and created this fair value gap. It's probably gonna close that before it continues to go down. So once I peeped that, I got into a long, and I'm gonna show you guys in the 1 minute. I don't really like to go into the 1 minute time frame because there's just a lot of noise, but sometimes I just jump in there to see like what price is really doing. So as you guys can see, we're consolidating. We broke out, which we came back to this breakout area, and I saw price like not breaking this area, so I put my stop loss under there. And although my take profit is all the way up here, I kind of took profit like around this area for 200 bucks. But yeah, that would the price, the pair almost went all the way up to my profit target, which would have been nice. But that's what I got to work on, is not closing trades early. So I ended up making 200 bucks on this play. So I was down about $200. I was at like around 9,800, and then with that one play that I put in, it brought me back up to like 9,930 bucks, and then I lost another 70. So my account was at like $9,840 around there, and then this $200 brought me all the way up to $10,040, which means I'm up 40 bucks in the account, and I probably only got like $450 some to go to get to that 500 profit target that I need. But yeah, I'm gonna try not to overtrade, because that's what messed me up yesterday, and I was down like crazy. So I really try to focus on like 2 stocks and two pairs on Forex. So the 2 pairs that I focus on is USD JPY, which is one of my favorite ones, and Euro USD. And then on the stock market side, the 2 stocks that I like to focus on is Meta and Tesla. I just like things that are volatile. Like, I don't like to sit around and see things moving slow. I like things to move fast, you feel me? So I'm gonna show you guys the play that I took on Tesla. which could have been a killer play, bro. And this is something that I really got to work on to become profitable. Like, once I get this down, I have a feeling that I will become profitable. It's not to take profits too early, because I'm always doing that. Like, when I see myself in the green, I kind of don't, I don't let the play run all the way, because I'm so used to losing. But yeah, so I gotta get rid of this. Once I get rid of that bad habit, I should be able to be profitable. But yeah, let me show you guys the trade that I took, and I could have actually made a lot more money, bro, like crazy. All right, so this is Tesla's chart, 30-minute. And so you guys can see that support area right here. Price, we jumped off of this support area multiple times, and we broke it like last week, and then we came back and price went higher. And when price went higher, it came back down to that support area that we once broke. So it turned into support, and I was low-key thinking about going long, but I saw this selling pressure and that we're under the 50 EMA. The 50 EMA is pretty much the only indicator that I use. So we're under the 50 EMA, and we're kind of breaking it. I saw we were kind of breaking that support area. So it jumped into the 5-minute time frame, and so you guys can see in the 5-minute time frame, price had jumped up, and then we sold off from that level immediately. And then once I saw that, I actually didn't even get in right here. I actually got in like around this area. This is the area that I got in around 437, 438, and then price was actually playing around. It was going up, down, and at one point I was actually down like $50. And then, but I was like, can't get scared. I'm gonna let this play out. And price started pushing down. Bam! It pushed down to like 436. It pushed down to like 436, and then once it pushed down to 436, I was up like $100, and I closed the trade. I took profit for $100 because I'm like, but if I would have let it run, this could have been an easy $500 day, bro. Like, if I had just let it play out and go to like 432, I could have definitely made $500. And price jumped back up to 436, so I had another chance to get back in, but I don't want to overtrade. So yeah, so today was a winning day for me, and yeah, I feel like I'm close to being profitable. So yesterday I was overtrading, and I was actually really stressed out. And the reason why I was so stressed out is because I feel like trading is the only way for me to really get rich. You feel me? I know other ways, but like, trading is the easiest and hardest way. All I need is my laptop and Wi-Fi, but the hard part is actually trading. You feel me? Controlling your emotions, and yeah, like it can be really stressful. But yeah, we're gonna hopefully try to figure this out and try to make money from trading. So y'all subscribe to the journey, hit the like button. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.